Alright, so this is the MSI Mag CORELIQUID P240 AIO water cooler. So this is a 240 millimeter all-in-one water cooling kit from MSI, and I bought this AIO water cooler because it fit my CPU socket type. That was pretty much the number one consideration. But also it was available for quick pickup from Micro Center because I needed to get a build put together pretty quickly. And also it generally just has a good rating and people recommend it. So those are the main considerations and the reason I purchased this. And also MSI is a name brand and pretty well known. So I kind of expect it to be okay. And it should be completely fine. And it was when I used it in my build. So if you want to see where you can pick this or any other parts I used in this build up, just check the link in the description. Also, you might want to check out the video of the full build. That link's also going to be in the description, so check that out too. Let's look at the specs real quick. So it supports Intel sockets, and this is going to include LGA 1150, 1151, 1155, 1156, 1200, and 1700. Also LGA 1366, 2011, 2011-3, and 2066. It also has support for AMD sockets. So you're going to have AM5, AM4, FM2+, FM2, FM1, AM3+, AM3, AM2+, and AM2. It has two fans. And the fan dimensions are 120 by 120 by 25 millimeters, or 4.7 by 4.7 by 0.98 inches. The fan speed is 500 to 2000 RPM. Fan noise level is 14.3 to 34.3 dBA. And the fan airflow is going to be 78.73 CFM. Fan life expectancy is 70,000 hours. Fan bearings, so it comes with two ball bearings. I guess not too surprising there. Power consumption is 1.8 watts, and the rated current is 0.15 amps. And the radiator material, it's made of aluminum. Radiator dimensions are 276 by 120 by 27 millimeters. And yeah, just check the link in the description if you want to actually read the exact the equivalent in inches, and or if you want to actually just look at this in a nice chart. So PWM mode, it includes that. It includes let's see, the pump noise level is 18 dBA, and the life expectancy is 100,000 hours, and pump speed is going to be 4,200 plus or minus 10% RPM, and the power consumption is going to be the pump power consumption is going to be 4.08 watts, and the block dimensions are going to be 70.5 by 70.5 by 52 millimeters, and you can just check the equivalent inches in the chart if you check the link in the description. And that's about it. So I actually like this specific water cooler. It worked great in my build, so I would give it a thumbs up myself. I would recommend this. So yeah, if you want to get something that's well, at least worked out well for me, you might want to take a look at this. If you want to see where you can pick this or any other parts I used in this build up, just check the link in the description. Also, you might want to check out the video of the full build. That link's also going to be in the description, so check that out too. Go ahead and hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss out on our other great videos. We have a lot of great stuff we've put out already, and we have a lot of stuff coming up soon. So definitely hit the subscribe button, and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to alert you when we come out with a new video, and you're not going to want to miss these. We put a lot of other great content out. This includes hardware, software, networking, servers, coding, electronics. single board computers, 3D printing, robots, and a ton more. Also, leave a comment down below, not just for me, but for the next person who watches this video. If you know something that I don't know, or you have any comments, questions, criticism, whatever you want to say, just leave the comment down below. Hopefully you found this video useful or at least interesting. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.